Hello and good morning to each one of you. Today I, Roma Jariwala, Principal of MSU International Preschool, have come up with the fantastic Saturday with the live FB 8th session for you all kids. So are you ready? Today we are going to make a bookmark with the ma'am of MSU International Preschool, Akansha Bambodia. Okay, so let's get started with the ma'am. Hello ma'am.
Guys, good morning. How are you all? So today we are going to start to make bookmarks. So I'm going to tell you what things we will be needed in this. First we will be needed some tinted papers, colorful papers, markers, scissors. If you have some fake eyes or something, you can use that. A ruler and scale, a pencil and glue. Okay, should we start with this?
So let's get started to the workshop.
So first we are going to draw 7 centimeters of line. So draw a line of 0 to 7 and make a square of this. So I am making this.
We have to use the square paper. Okay kids? Any color you can use the square paper. With the we have to measure with the scale from 0 to 7.
Okay, make 3 squares of same sizes. Okay, 7 centimeter each. So now I am making the another square.
Be careful while drawing with the help of a scale. Okay kids? First we have to just point it out with the mark of a pencil and then do with the straight line. Okay?
And make 2 boxes like this and another box is on the top. One box on the top of this. Okay? Look.
Can you see?
Make
Yes.
2 boxes and now make one box on the top of the another box, which is of the same size, like 7 centimeters. Look, I have made these 3 boxes like this. It should look like a staircase.
Each should be parallel with the same centimeter of 7
centimeters. 7 by 7 box. Okay, now we have to draw a diagonal from this corner to this corner. Okay, now I am drawing the diagonal. Look, we have to make diagonal like this. Now we are going to erase this part. Okay, this extra lines we are going to erase it. Now cut this part with a knife. Guys, you should use the you should not touch the sharp objects. Okay, so I am cutting it. Okay kids, tell your parents to help you in cutting.
Always remember that scissors are very sharp for using, so with the help of your parents, use with and do the art and craft activity. Ma'am, can you show that which part we have to cut?
We have to cut the erased part like this, and after cutting your it will look like this. Okay, now we are going to erase the rest of the pencils. Okay,
the pencil's mark, you have to just erase it with the help of a rubber.
First we have to do a marking like this. Keep a ruler here and make a outline of this. by rubbing it slowly. Do the same on the other side. Okay. Now erase the pencil part. Okay kids, look. Now we can fold it like this, okay? So the first part we have to fold like this and press it gently, and then another on the top and press it gently. Now I am going to stick this with the glue.
Apply a glue on each and every corners of it, so it will stick properly and it will be helpful for you to use.
Like this. Now your bookmark will look like this. Can you see it? Now I am going to draw eyes and make a smile, some cartoons on it, okay? So I am using the fake eyes for
The
this.
googly eyes, you can use the googly eyes if you have. Stick it in proper in the center.
Look, I have stick the eyes. Okay, now I am going to make a smile. Look, I have made some lashes and smiles, and I have pressed. Now how we can use this bookmarks, okay? I am showing you how to use this bookmark. We have to take out one page and we have to stick it like this, okay? So it will be very helpful to find out which page you have left. Look, how do you like it?
Wow, it is looking very beautiful.
You can make it with different cartoons also. Like I have used this. You can make it on the yellow paper and make a smiley. You can also make a minion. If you like any cartoons like Tom and Jerry or Spider-Man, you can also make it like this. Okay? So hope you kids like it, and you can also follow us on Facebook and Instagram, and also please share your photos and videos of this to us. Okay? Okay, we will be coming on next Saturday with a new activity. Bye kids.
Take care.
Take care. Stay safe.